Hello, today we're going to start some ACT review topics, and the first one is area, perimeter, surface area, and volume. And I will be doing 4 problems off of this review sheet. So number 3 is where we're going to go first, and we're going to find the area of the shaded region here. So what I'm going to do is do the area of the circle minus the area of a triangle. One thing for the ACT is you're going to have to think about your formulas that you're going to need, and some of them should really get into your head, and one of them is area of a circle. So to do area of a circle, it's pi r squared. And then I'm going to subtract the area of the triangle, so 1/2 base times height. So if I go ahead and do that, the radius of my circle. So I've got to look at my picture here and find all of the numbers that are needed. And the first one, here's the radius right here. So I'm going to do pi times 21 squared minus 1/2 times the base of my triangle. So the whole base is 40 and my height is 39. And then I just carefully type this into my calculator, and I end up with 605.4 label as inches squared. All right, perimeter on a circle is also known as circumference. Still the same concept, really, trying to get all the way around. So circumference on a circle is pi times diameter. So I'll put this one right here. Okay, so that means I'm going to need 2 of the 21s to get all the way across, because this is a radius. I need 2 of them then. So I need 21 times 21, plus 21 times pi. So 21 plus 21 is 42 times pi. So if I take 42 times pi, and by the way, most of your calculators should have a pi button on it. If not, you can always round to 3.14. So times 3.14, and I get 131, and they're saying 1 decimal place right here, so make sure you always read your directions, 131.9 inches. Okay, the next one I want to do on here is number 6. So here's the picture of number 6. We're going to do perimeter and area of this thing. So let's start with area first. And I'm going to break this up into pieces here. So the area of this shape right here is 9 times 9, so that will be 81. And then the area of the rectangle down here will be 18 times 9. And that's 162. Add those two together, and I get 243 yards squared. Area is like if this were my yard, I'm planting grass everywhere. Perimeter is a fence. And instead of trying to remember 2L plus 2W and all of that, I just picture myself standing here, and then I just walk around. So here's 18, and I'm going to make a list over here. We got 9 there. Now here, this much here, it's not labeled, so we have to do a little calculation. If this part up here is 9 and it's dropping down, so here's 9, then this part over here must be 9, so this whole side will match the length of that side. So here's a 9 right here. So we got another 9. And then we go up here, we got a 9 and a 9, so we got 2 more 9s. And then I'm coming down the length of this whole side. So again, this piece here is moving over, so that's 9 there. That comes over, that's 9 there, so another 18. So I got 18, 18, technically 18 here and 18 there. So I got 18s everywhere. 18 times 4 of them is 72 yards. That's how you do area and perimeter, and these are called compound shapes because they're made up of numerous things. All right, on the other side, we're going to do number 6 right over here. We're recalling how to do surface area. Surface area is like painting the outside of this can, and then volume would be like filling this up. So let's do surface area first. So I need to paint 2 circles. So if I paint 2 circles, circle, I'm doing area again, so pi r squared. I have 2 of those. And then I also need to paint, this is a rectangle, so if I pictured this as a label coming off the can, it would be a rectangle. This edge of the rectangle is the circumference of the circle. So I'm going to need pi times diameter for that part, and then times the height here, so times 4. Okay, so we need our radius for the first one, and the radius is 3. So this will be pi times 3 squared, and I have 2 of these. So this will be 9 times 3.14 times 2 of them, the top and the bottom. So this piece here is 56.52. And then over here, my diameter is going to be 3 plus 3, so that'll be 6 times 4 times pi. So that'll be 24 pi. So 24 times 3.14, 75.36 plus the 56.52. So 131.88. Again, if I round, it would be 0.9. Oh, they want 100th this time. All right, so 131.88 inches squared again, because I'm painting the whole thing. All right, volume is filling this up. So instead of trying to remember the formula for volume, I think about it. So I need the bottom circle here, and it's stacked up all the way here. So I need the area of the bottom circle stacked up 4 inches high. So area of a circle again is pi r squared times 4 inches of them. My radius is 3, so 3 squared times 4. So I need 3 squared is 9 times 4 is 36 times pi. Should be 113.04 inches. This will be cubed. All right, the last one I wanted to do with you is number 7 down here, and I apologize for the line on here that I copied that way. Looks like a pencil mark through there. So here we are again, painting all of this and then also filling it all up. So let's paint it first, and we're going to take this very carefully here, one piece at a time. So if I start by painting this side right here, I think I need, oh, there it is, 8. So this piece right here is 8. I'm painting this little triangle here, or not triangle, square rectangle really, because this is 8. So 8 times 6. And I have 2 of them, left side and this back side over here. So times 2. So that takes care of that and that. I need to paint the top. So the top, this is 6 here, that'll be 6 there, 6 times 3. That takes care of the top. I need to paint the bottom, so that's the big rectangle down here, that's 6 and 11. And then I need to paint this trapezoid here. So area for a trapezoid, again, if you couldn't recall, you could actually break it up into the 2 triangles and the square in the middle. So that's going to be 1/2. Add up your bases, so 3 plus 11 times its height is 4. That's how you find the area of a trapezoid. And then I have 2 of them again, one in the front here and one in the back. So 2 of these. So after I add all of this stuff up, I get 36 feet squared. That's supposed to be a 3. There we go. All right, volume. So this prism, trapezoidal prism, is actually standing on its side. So you always want to look for the uniquely shaped base, and that's right here. It's the trapezoid. So if I picture all these trapezoids stacked up in here, so here they are all stacked up, and there comes another one right here. That's what I'm trying to find. So I need the area of the trapezoid times the height. The height is right here, 6. So like I said, this guy is standing up. He should be really tipped over. So he's on his side, and he should come back down. So the trapezoid's at the bottom. So I need the area of a trapezoid again, which is 1/2 the addition of the base 1 and base 2 times its height, which is 4. And then I need that 6 times. So I have 6 of those. So take that times 6. When I do that, I end up with 168 feet cubed. Those are the 2 that I'm going to show you. If you have any questions on any of the other ones, just let me know. Thank you.